Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. The book name will be found in the description of this video. But let's get right in. This is question number 13 of exercise 2.1. The book name is in the description. The question is x plus 3y is equal to 0. And two x squared plus 3y is equal to 1. We're going to be shifting 3y to the other side, so x is equal to minus 3y. So it will be 2 into minus 3y whole square plus 3y is equal to 1. So it will be 2 into 9y squared plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 18y squared plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we're going to middle term break this. Let me create a new layer. So 18y squared plus 6y minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. We're going to take 6y common, 3 plus 1, and then minus 1 common, so 3 plus 1. 3y, sorry, 3y plus 1 and 3y plus 1 over here as well. 6y minus 1, 3y minus plus 1 is equal to 0. So we're going to separate the two brackets. So 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 upon 6. 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So the original equation we had was I believe it was x minus 3y x is equal to minus 3 into 1 upon 6, which is the value of y. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. 6 2s are 3 2s are and 3 1s are. So minus 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 6. X is equal to minus 3 minus 1 upon 3. X is equal to 1. So 1 comma minus 1 upon 3. That is the answer to this question. I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me just one more time show you all the steps. So this was step 1, making the proper equation. Step 2 was getting the value of y, and step 3 was finding the value of x. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with friends or colleagues who are struggling during exams, or maybe just want to improve in the summer time. I'll see you guys in the next video.